Some of the Sahaba said, when your mother died, 2 doors closes in your face. The door of her dua to you, and one of the doors of Jannah that you could enter through her. When the Sahabi came and he told him about his mother, he says, be at her feet, that's where paradise is. If you want success in this life, if you want to do something good for your akhirah and dunya, take care of your parents, respect them, love them for the sake of Allah. Be close to them because Allah advised you to do so. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ. First thing that Allah decreed upon you is that you worship none but Him. And then وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And then take care of your parents. Love them. Be good to them. Respect them. Honor them.